Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Rhebhecz QB. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is laag-laag. Ay laag-laag guys. Because there's no electricity. Nata sa ila kang Mercy. Apoy ng hugas diri oh. Daga. Hello Daga. Di siya mamansin. Siya mamansin Mercy. Hi! Hi! Ayan. Apil ra ba ka sa akong video nga katong kanding gamers no? Ate. Ate. Kanding. Karon manok na sad ang giluto ni Mercy. Labunti si Mercy guys. Mercy dito. Look at the coconut. I will show you the coconut here. Very short coconut. Short tree. So you can only reach this one guys. O, diba? Mangayo ta ni Bim nun. Asa man si Yoyo? Where's our uncle? Yan ang tree guys. Oh, very small tree. Uy! Oh, dog. Dog. Ayan, luto na. Oh, luto na guys ang manok ni Mercy. Ang manok ni Mercy. Ayan. Ayan ang rice. Okay ra na siya. Wala pag ikuan. Wala pag itakang. Nilat ang manok ni Mercy guys. So, manok na kal in Firewood. Ayan. This rice. Naglutog rice si Mercy guys. Oh. Nangabri tag kaldero ba? Dili na takloban ni kuan?
Paano na ko naron?
Ayan. Fish pan oh. Panana pa na isda din ha? Ayan oh. Fish pan of my uncle. Yan, kinuha na ni Mercy yung chicken guys. They're cooking chicken and kasi birthday ng ng son niya. Very early day cooking. Dido cooking. What time is it? What time? Pero alas 3 pa siguro Mers no? Og mo daghan ang tubig diri ba? Asa man mo magkuan? Asa man mo magkuan diyan ang daghan tubig. Sumugas. Dito na po sa baba. Kurang nag-party naman siguro mo kay daghan naman na inyong plato diyang ipanghugasan oh. Tay oras ang party di ay. Guys, ma-birthday ta guys. Ma-birthday tayo kang Mercy oh, nasla diri na muyo. Ayan. Yan. Pila bayad sa inyong renta diha, Mers? Pila bayad sa nag-rent? Ha? Si. Quiet. 500 pesos nag-rent sila diri guys oh. Pero okay na ni siya po yan. Ayan. So, diri sila na muyo. Ganyan lang yun. Bamboo. Ayan. Bamboo. But, so far, as what I can say, mas okay. It's okay to stay like this than you sleep in the street. Because in other countries, they say that they are sleeping in the street. So here, it's okay like that. 500 pesos near the street. So asa pa ka ana? Ayan, may handa si Mercy guys. Spaghetti. And spaghetti pataas. Di ba na may kuan? Pwede man ka diri day magluto Mercy. Oh.
Ay, dili na ako ah.
Dai na puyo dire? Dai na puyo dire? Asa man na puyo dire?
Oo, na ulit sa ilaha.
Oh, ning uli daw. So gatapad-tapad rinis ga diri na amakan man ni siya. Amakan. Mag-house tour ta sa balay ni Mercy. Ayu. Ayan, mani kwarto ni Mercy diri. Ano na ko yung cartoons Mercy oh. Uli ta guys. Unsa man ni pwede mali-uli? Ay tawo diri.
Wala.
Mali-uli ta diri. Wow. See? Malinis kayo ang kuan ni Mercy diri guys. Oh. Mag-house tour ta. Ah, char. With matching kuan pa oh. Dari ra mo tulog. Bugnaw kayo diri Mers no. Pero odto init-init lang jud siya. So they are renting here guys, just like that they are sleeping there on the floor. Tapos unsa inyo ha magpom pa mana? Ayan, nice po do, butangan og kuan siya sa floor mat. Di ba? Kanirang ni ang kwarto ha? Nya kamo upat. 5 mo kabuok? 5 person, 3 adults and 2 kids. Ayan oh. Nya ang napo de electric pan dian. Wow. Si nya may silingan dire. Kani.
Dili na mao.
Sa man ni? Kani sunod? Actually guys, kuan gid siya. Very Kani wala na ni Poy guba na. This one guba na siya guys. Look at that bamboo. Bamboo over there. Ayan. See? It's bamboo. It's damaged. And other people is here. Unsa man ni pwede pa ni makatakuan?
Na, lusot ko ka diha.
Wala malusot daw to guys. So, gitarong pa mo gutong gipuy-an nila Mercy diri oh.
Ay nagkaon.
Ayan oh. Kaon sila.
Nagkaon.
Ato. Lus Indoy. Ayan, kani oh, gi-fix pa dia bamboo.
Dante.
Ayan. Ay, kadaghan banha kang iro. So, masulod sila guys. Mura na ang daanan nila. Oh, that's the passage of the room going to Mercy. Inday Mercy room. 500 pesos. Ako wa pa di kabukal niya, wala na nagsiga. Tie hop Mers, tie hop. Nagpinikas man ni Mercy. Wala na lang kahoy diha. Di yun di mo bukal ba? Nice man lagi niyo sugbaan akwanan. Nagbakuan man diyan. Ni bukal na ang rice ni Mercy. Ansa ni agsa relief goods ni dili?
Dili.
Urot na no. Yan, cooking rice in the Philippines using firewood. Tuso pa more. Sure ka nga naluto. Para lagi siya nahilaw sa. Ay, burag pa upuyupan na ng inana, Mers. Pauyupan na siya, guys. So, small fire. Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel. Now we are here in the sea with Mercy. They are swimming there together with her children. And I'm sitting here guys. It's very hot. I have umbrella, so yeah. Let's check here. The standby fishing boat. That it's dark sky oh. Soon it will rain. Yeah, nobody, not much doing swimming now. Very sunny, and the other side is dark, so they are swimming over there. Yeah. Ako ani nag sit down ra ko guys. Doing sitting pretty, it's so sweet. So shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me guys, and to all your comments. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you so much. Very look at that inside of the boat guys. I'm sitting here in the big boat, and that's the inside. So this is bamboo and yan, ito ang mga ano nila. Look at that. So yun. Oy, there's no boat today. Oh, no boat. We will check guys. We will go over there. Ayan guys, oh, no boat standby there. Walang barko today. And they're enjoying swimming over there. Diyan ako nag-sit down guys. Oh. We will check the ano. Look at that. This is the boat here. This is the boat. You have that one. And this is the bamboo. Yan, 2016 pala yung boat nila guys. So this is used for fishing here. Not very far fishing. Yan, mag-tour na lang tayo sa mga boat nila guys kasi I can't go swimming. It's very hot. Look at that. Ayan. So check natin yung small guys. This one, oh, is so cute. Another, I think this one, no need. You will only use this one. This one, you will use this one. No need of gasoline. So that's very small boat. Then yan. That's another fishing boat. And this one. So they will bring that one guys. So that's a fishing net. We have this one there in the mountain long time ago to use there in a river. And the small boat. This is so cute though. Very cute. That's inside. So how many person can use this one? Can get this small fish. If you want very big fish, you will use a very big boat. Really a big boat. Yeah. So another boat. Another fishing. I think this one there's a machine here that will run. Run. There's a machine guys. Oh. Look at that. There's a machine if bigger like this. And this one. But before, it's not yet 7 here. A lot of boat here guys. And there's another machine. We use the machine. So no need to push more. But this side is bamboo. And this one, another boat. Another boat. This one no name. Look at that. Boat there over there. So they are parking over here. And Mercy are swimming. Si Dodong. Tagan Dodong. Ayan, this is colorful guys. Gawas 2019. That's why it looks new. It's really painted. And they have also a machine that no need to This one, 2018. Yan, nabot na sila. Nagbutang ra mo kuan dito? Nagbutang ra mo pokot? Or nagkuha? Yan. Ayan. Nay, isda wala? Sama na, baligya na kay palita. Ayan. Wala man na siya kuan sa ilalom, no? Magkabagbugsay, ragyod mo. Mamalita. Isda.
Oh, darag pa oh.
Modlong. Modlong. Modlong, modlong. Mara yung fishing net. Fishing. Ah, bali wala pa din siya gitang tangan ninyo.
Kanila po.
Saan ang isda oh? Ano man no? Di kuluris man. Wala di kuluris lagi ng isda. Ah, nga naman na.
Isa sa bato.
Isa sa bato. Pero pa ko kita ana-ana diri.
Dagan mo.
Di katong ni palit kog isda diri wa ko kitag na ay nana. Pagora na siya.
Wala mo sa.
Ay mosulod man doy siya sa kuan doy no. Parihara man day katong mag kuan mi sa una sa suba. Mamukot. So kanang mga tuloy nga naon day na siya. Wili pa biya diri. Sayo day mo ning kuan. Undam.
Area dito lipa din.
Pero bintahan na biya na no. May na lang jud ng pangsabaw. Oh, wala pero pariha gid lagi siya nga isda. Nga naman ni. Karon pa man ako ani or sige na ni nanay niyang kuha. Kuluris. Kapag that guys.
Kanila po.
Narasad. May na pang kamunggayan ninyo na. Guys, oh. Parking na nila ilang kuan guys oh. Small boat. Bye bye. Hello. I like to swim but yeah. Baka masusunog na rin ang face ko guys. My face will burn. Burn. Dong, ibutang ng baso dito, Dong. Ibutang sa daplin. It's pero mabuti na lang yung umbrella pa. It's okay. My umbrella can cover the sun. Thank you guys. Walking in the sea. The sea.